So, what's our plan? We're going to use this must plan. Its active ingredient is acetamiprid. Think of this as a bodyguard for our trees. It's a systemic insecticide. That means the plant absorbs it and protects itself from the inside out. It's great against pests like aphids, but it's powerful. So you have to be smart and responsible. Alright, let's get ready. Now for the dosage, this is super important. You have to be precise. The label says 25 grams for 100 liters of water. My sprayer is 20 liters, so I need exactly 5 grams. Perfect. Add the powder to the sprayer first, then add the water. Give it a good shake. And we're almost ready to go. Here is a quick guide with everything you need to remember. Okay, it's go time. Give the tree a thorough shower. Cover the tops of the leaves. And make sure you get underneath too. That's where pests love to hide. Spray until it just starts to drip. Now here's the golden rule. This is the most important tip of the video. We're spraying in the evening for a reason. The secret: spray on the evening of a warm day. This insecticide works best when it's warm, above 28 degrees Celsius. Spraying in the evening uses the day's heat. This makes it super effective. But it's also when the bees are safe in their hives. We protect our trees. And we protect our bees. That's the perfect win-win. That is responsible gardening. And that's it, a job well done. Just remember 3 key things. 1. Measure carefully. Always spray in the evening on a warm day. And 3. Never ever spray on open flowers. That's how we keep Persian wild healthy and productive. If you believe in smart, responsible gardening and love the stories from nature, I'd be honored if you'd subscribe. Join our community. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest garden challenge? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.